Hi, my name is David P Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, in the middle of January of 2022, we are in the midst of a surge of the Omicron variant of the coronavirus. And I want to do this video and talk to you about how that is affecting San Diego criminal court, particularly San Diego state courts, and what to do if you find yourself with a pending criminal court case or an upcoming criminal court case or recently been arrested and you're wondering how this recent surge with Omicron and social distancing and masks and all that's playing out in the San Diego courthouse. What we're seeing in San Diego right now, unlike other jurisdictions, Los Angeles, I believe Ventura, and a lot of counties up and down the state in California, San Diego is staying open in the sense that they are not postponing any criminal trials indefinitely. They're not postponing them for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. It is as close to possible business as usual for criminal court, at least as of the filming of this video on in the middle of January, specifically January the 12th, 2022. So trials are still going forward, whether you're in custody, out of custody. Obviously, if you have a loved one that's in custody, their trials may very well get priority. But then again, what we're also seeing are trials that are getting postponed because the accused is in quarantine at the jail. The accused may have COVID, a witness may have COVID. How all of that plays out is really being determined on a case-by-case basis. And what times like these really show, what times like these really prove, is the fact that if you are facing a serious criminal charge, if a loved one of yours is facing a serious criminal charge, now more than ever, it is essential to make sure that you have the right people, the right team representing you or your loved one, who will be able to understand what's going on in the courthouse, to be able to understand what that means for you in your case. How is there a way, is there a strategic way to handle a case at a certain time with a certain resolution, knowing what's going on, knowing the key players, knowing the judges, knowing who the prosecutors are, knowing what's going on inside the courts, and how you might be able to get a resolution of a case now that you might not be able to get in February, that you might not be able to get in March, that you certainly were not able to get 2 years ago before. You want an experienced team that'll be able to tell you, if they believe and know that that's in your best interest, hey, now's not the right time to do this trial under these circumstances, with this jury pool, all wearing masks, none of them wanting to be there even more than usual. Witness issues. Do we want to start and stop this trial if someone gets sick? Do we want to subject ourselves in a crowded courtroom for 3 days, 5 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, so on and so forth? So it is essential to make sure that you know what's going on. And the best way you know what's going on is to surround yourself with a law firm and hire a law firm that knows what's going on, right? So you can take advantage of their experience. You take advantage of their connections. You can take advantage of their understanding of not only just the law, but on how each individual courthouse is handling your case now in the midst of the Omicron variant and the surge, and how the courts are going to handle it, hopefully when this subsides as we get into the latter part of January and into February and certainly into the spring months. So if you find yourself facing a criminal charge in San Diego, want to know how the coronavirus, specifically how this Omicron variant is affecting it, how it could affect it, how your case may wind up in a better position, a worse position, the same position, and you're certainly, if you're not getting answers from your current attorney, feel free to reach out to my firm. Again, David Shapiro, San Diego criminal lawyer, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with the crime. 619-295-3555. Give us a call. We'll set up a time where we can discuss your options moving forward. If one of those options are you want to move forward with my firm, we're a good fit for you, you're a good fit for us. We can talk about possibly being able to help you out. 619-295-3555.